So I'm at the back of the shed at the moment. Does anyone know about when these will be ready? Because this is mine. I mean, I don't know. I've never eaten one before. Doesn't it look fantastic though? I mean, they're very ornamental, but I've never eaten one. I wouldn't know where to start. And that's all mine, theirs too. I do love these. But I think this has to go. I kind of like feel it's some sort of massive triffid. What do you fellas think? What do you all think? They're lovely. I'm not sure about the rest of it. And then we do have rosemary, but it's kind of getting drowned a bit. And this is mint. Or is it? Could be lemon balm. That might be lemon balm. I'm not sure. Come on, let's have a walk round. Yeah, you can. So these are the sunflowers, but look at the grass. It's seeding. I need to put cardboard on top of this really, and then a bit of compost just to stop that from happening, because this is normally with no dig. This isn't no dig, and no dig is much preferable. But obviously I need to sort the rest of it out. I've got to save these and save these poppies as well for this future garden area. I'm going to get rid of this. I mean, it's all going to be rotten anyway. Look at the wood. Yeah. It'd be just nice to have a little flowers. But that's a weed. I should put my gloves on actually. Beetroot. And then the courgette, but this is what I sowed originally, and then when it got all kicked up by some sort of big animal, like a deer or something, they have been seen on the plot. I'll get my gloves on so I can weed en route. I've got my gloves on so I can weed en route. Oh, let me show you the clematis. So there's the clematis. I've just put it sort of in the shade and it's watered, so before I figure out what to do with it, where it will go. Monstru were a complete and utter failure. Absolutely, we're not happy whatsoever, and even the French climbing beans are a little bit ropey. But they're hanging on in there, the French climbing beans, but only just. So I put a net up here. This is this area that I wanted to, around the old clematis that didn't survive. I think there's some red ants. Yeah, look, you can see the red ants. That's why I'm not keen to put it. This might be better. Should we just dig? Normally when you see red ants, they just start running. Nothing there. Ooh. What do you do with red ants? Does anyone, I mean, do they kill plants? Do you think? Oh, where's that box? I'll just do a pile. This is gotta go. Comes up pretty easy though, to be fair. Oh, my sweet pea. I mustn't forget to water them. I actually forgot. I have watered everything. Look at it. Come and check the tomatoes. It's a bit bushy, that one. Might have to take some of the leaves off, but everything's been watered. And I've brought there's some, I don't know, because I'm not sure if this will be big enough. So we're going to take this off in a minute. Sweet corn are looking absolutely brilliant. Oh, oh, not reaching. Better. Right. Well, I'm going to get the big tripod and put you on that. It needs weeding in there and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's do that.